Oh, you make perfect sense. It's just that voice is killing me. It's good. You know, Minnie Mouse has a job. We don't need another one.
When I dance, they call me Macarena, and the boys they say que soy buena. They all want me, they can't have me, so they all come and dance beside me. Move with me, chant with me, and if you're good, I'll take you home with me.
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena.
Do you think if I throw this one in the witch?
Shut your mouth! Shut your mouth! That was good.
No, I didn't mean to do that.
Let me see it.
I didn't mean to do that. No, I thought the witch would melt. No, I apologize. I didn't even know the lid was off.
You know what? Because I didn't mean to do that either. If Christy can come after me.
Oh my, stressful. So why not have a little bit of fun? Oh, girls, come on! Cheat.
When we dunked Abby,
It wasn't just Abby going in the dunk tank, it was a sea creature.
Hi. How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Candy apples need to get a life and quit following the Abby Lee Dance Company around.
You jumped, you flipped, you twirled, a lot. But you gotta tell
Whoever told you to shake your bum like that they are a dum-dum.
hey, Abby taught me how to shake my bum bum, and I shake it pretty well.
You're at the Joffrey Ballet. A little decorum, please.